Morning guys, it's Ram again, and I bought Insta360 Go 3S 128 GB. Raise the camera. I had Go 3 white version 64 GB. I bought it from eBay. I used one. It was really good, and it's two things I want to upgrade it. It's not 4K. Go 3 is not 4K, and it is only 64 GB, and it was white color, and all of them not good for me actually. I like black, and I need a bit more storage, like at least 128 GB and 4K. So once the Insta360 improved all of three of them to go to 3S, I was really happy, but I wasn't really in the rush to buy it because I didn't go anywhere and didn't travel anything. But recently I was looking through eBay, and then I thought there is a listing, the same 360 Go 3S for 128 GB black color, only 200-ish, £219. But I bought Go 3 64 GB for, let's say, £260. That's a lot of money, but it is a lot cheaper and double the price. Very good latest camera, so I thought, why not? So it's time to swap. So I bought this off the eBay, about £220 as I said, 28 GB, and it's really good. It didn't come, it is what it came with. With I think bits and pieces. That's the cable. I don't really. I have loads of cable. I don't know. I'm gonna use it. Oh, this is it. Okay. This camera. There's no scratches at all. No scratch in the camera lens either. It can flip it over. Perfect. Oops. That's not good, isn't it? Okay. Let's switch it on. Oh, it was charged. Maybe for a little bit, maybe. Okay. That's very good. It's 4K 30. That's what I'm looking for. And I heard a lot of good things about this camera. We will have a look in a minute. And it came with the magnet pen. I really need it, especially for my little one. And then it also same thing. This said, kind of broken here. It's okay, I'm not gonna use it anyway. Fine. I have tripods, it's alright. And I have this one from the Go 3, and I can use it. I don't really need that. And this one, yeah, it goes with, you can stick it on there anywhere, but it's alright. I'm not really gonna use it. The max, I'm gonna use this one, that's it. No other. Okay, that's it guys. I'm gonna use it over the week, and we'll see how good is it. Well, it will be good, but let's see how we go. See you later guys.